am Seth in Rocha, grade 3 wisdom. Today, we're gonna do an experiment of push and pull. Motion is caused by force. So there are two types of forces, push and pull. So it's like this. A push and pull is created like this. That's push. While pull, move an object closer to you, while the meaning of push is moving an object away from you. So, materials we need: tape, a balloon, straw, and fishing string or any kind of string. So, we need to put the string inside the straw. So, if you're finished like this, tie both ends of the string on any stand or a chair. So, we bind both strings on the chair. So, next step, you blow the balloon. But if you have a hard time blowing it, ask your parents or siblings. So, after pumping the balloon, we need to attach it to the straw with the tape. So, 5. So, you need to release it. So, we need the countdown right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready for takeoff? So, did you like my experiment? Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye!